Want to finally get rid of Bing from your Google Chrome browser and take back control of your searches? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through removing Bing from Chrome, whether you're on Windows or Mac. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch your default search engine, get rid of any unwanted Bing listings, clean up suspicious extensions, and fully refresh your browser for a smoother experience. Let's make Chrome truly yours again. All right, let's get started by opening up Google Chrome, of course. First, we'll head over to the Settings menu. You'll find this by clicking on those three little dots up in the top right corner, sometimes called the More menu. Go ahead and give that a click, then choose Settings from the drop-down. The Settings panel is where Chrome's core features hide out, so it's a good place to get comfortable with. Now, let's tackle the main culprit, the search engine. On the left side, click Search Engine. Here, you'll see what Chrome is currently using when you type a query directly into the address bar. If you're seeing Bing here, or just want to pick something different, simply choose another option from the drop-down menu, like Google, or maybe DuckDuckGo if you prefer. This change means Chrome won't send your searches to Bing anymore. It's a quick switch, but it makes a world of difference to your browsing flow. But we're not done yet, because Bing might still be hanging around in the background. Next, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This page shows all the search engines Chrome knows about and uses for site-specific queries. Scroll down through the list until you spot Bing. Once you find it, click the three dots next to Bing, and then choose Delete. This removes Bing from Chrome's roster entirely, so it can't pop up unexpectedly in the future. Don't worry if you see a bunch of search engines you don't recognize. Just focus on Bing for now, but feel free to clean out any others you never use. It's a little like cleaning out the apps on your phone. Helps speed things up and keeps everything organized. Now, sometimes Bing shows up because an extension hijacked your settings. To look out for this, let's check for suspicious browser extensions. Back in the main settings menu, hover over More Tools, then select Extensions. You'll see a page with all the little add-ons installed in Chrome. Go through and look for anything unusual, especially extensions related to search, toolbars, or anything you didn't install yourself. If you find something fishy, click Remove to uninstall it. If you're not sure about an extension, sometimes it's safest to remove it anyway. You can always reinstall trusted ones later. This step is like pruning a garden, cutting away anything that could be choking out your actual tools. Once those steps are complete, there's one final cleanup that can really help, clearing your cache and cookies. Go back to the three dots in the corner, click Settings, and then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Open Clear Browsing Data, and select both cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. This process can take a second, especially if you haven't done it in a while, but don't worry. Your bookmarks and saved passwords won't disappear unless you choose those options. Clearing this data removes traces of unwanted redirects, and it's great for clearing up little glitches too. And there you go. Bing should be completely removed from your Google Chrome browser, and your searches are now truly yours. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Got questions? Or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and I try to respond to as many as I can. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.